Namaskar everyone.
আশা করছি আপনারা সবাই ভালো আছেন
And welcome to Dolly's Food Fusion. This week we are celebrating Lakshmi Puja by showing you how to make authentic puja foods which you can offer to the goddess Lakshmi. Today we're making a special Chole Masala. It's a fairly simple dish which is high in protein and can be used as a side dish for Indian breads such as luchis and parathas. So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking! So we have all of our ingredients here. Here we have 2 cups of kabuli chola or chickpeas soaked overnight in 3 cups of water. We also have 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of saumph or fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of ghee, 1 stick of cinnamon, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt.
To make the chola masala, we need to pressure cook the chickpeas. Add your chola with the water they were soaking in into the pressure cooker. We're also gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. Close the cooker and cook on high heat for 1 whistle and low heat for 4 whistles.
Now that our chola is cooked, we're going to start making our curry. Add 3 tablespoons of oil to a kadai and heat it. When your oil is hot, add 1 stick of cinnamon, and your 1 teaspoon of saumph or fennel seeds. Crush these in your hand as you add them. Fry this for a few minutes. Then add your 2 medium chopped tomatoes with your 1/2 teaspoon of salt. When the tomatoes become soft, we're going to add our masala. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder. Fry this until the raw smell of the spices goes away. Now we're going to add our cooked chola along with the water it was cooked in. You can add water if needed here, and we're going to boil this until we get a thick consistency again. To top it off, we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of ghee. And that's it. You can garnish with some fresh cream on top if you like.